MyFitCoach is generating some buzz lately as a fitness coaching app, but does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving into what it really offers, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time and money. MyFitCoach positions itself as a comprehensive fitness coaching app that aims to personalize your workout and nutrition plans. At its core, it provides tailored fitness programs based on your individual goals, whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just stay active. The user interface is sleek and relatively easy to navigate, which is a plus for those who might not be tech savvy. You can track your progress, set milestones, and even connect with personal trainers for guidance. However, one thing I noticed is that some features, like the community aspect, feel a bit underdeveloped. It's great that you can have one-on-one coaching, but the social interaction seems limited. Also, while the app claims to adapt your plans based on your progress, I found that the adjustments weren't always as dynamic as I expected. Overall, it has potential, but there are definitely areas that could use more clarity and development. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, MyFitCoach offers personalized plans that can be really beneficial for users looking for specific guidance. The tracking features are user-friendly, making it easy to keep tabs on your fitness journey. However, there are some frustrations. The community features feel lacking, which might deter those who thrive on motivation from peers. Additionally, while the coaching aspect is a standout, the pricing could be a concern. Some users might find it a bit steep for what's offered, especially if they're looking for a more comprehensive community experience. This app might not be suitable for those who prefer a more social approach to fitness or who want a wider variety of workout options. In conclusion, MyFitCoach is worth considering if you're seeking a personalized coaching experience and straightforward tracking tools. However, if community engagement and diverse workout options are essential to you, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels like a solid option, but with room for improvement in certain areas.